know though. I just
but it's literally just like we're gonna put our feet in the water and then come back.
But
he never said anything bad, like no.
Yeah.
He never said no.
Yeah.
It's only feet, right?
Yeah, right. It's only if you were not going to give full bodies in the water.
Unless
Look how gorgeous
Unless,
that
look at
is,
the bird.
right?
Look at the bird is running away from the car.
It's so gorgeous.
Ooh, this smells really
The water is glimmering. It's stunning.
No, it's just water. I think we're gonna plug off the beach.
I mean, good point, I guess.
Hey, and if they say come back, what were you doing? Just say we're taking pictures.
Yeah, we want to take pictures.
Because if it's more far, you won't get a better view.
Yeah, we want to get a better view of this gorgeous view. Because from back there, we can't really.
I know. A lot of people are always in the way.
Yeah, like for real, right? Woo. Gorgeous. Hopefully I don't drop my phone in the water.
Hey, we can't collect seashells.
Oh yeah, we should collect. Oh my gosh, it's so cold!
It feels so good. But look at a wave. Would I see like a whole big wave? I had to hold on to my dad's hand.
Aw.
How short I was. And then
Oh my gosh.
the wave went on top of me, but not on top of my dad.
Oh my gosh, it is so
There's
cold!
another one coming, so it's gonna be colder. Guys, what is wrong with us?
Oh my god. We get crazy. It is so... Oh my gosh, it is legitimately so
Hey, they
cold.
still haven't even noticed.
It is so gorgeous though.
Hey, sometimes when I was walking like this, it looked like I was going backwards.
I kind of want to just do it hard in the sand. But not over here.
Not in that side.
It's like Josie taking selfies.
Hey,
Oh my gosh, what is that?
I don't know. Mr. Rob's over there, guys.
Well, not
Oh, that's a
right
rock. You
here.
didn't even notice us.
That's a bad heart. That's more like it.
Daddy, it's so beautiful.
I know, right? It's just so gorgeous here. Like, my view. Oh my god.
My dad found a starfish, and when he was throwing it
Oh, yeah.
at Abby in the water to catch it, it went back in the water.
Aw.
It was gone. Oh, look! You can see like the little, this like tiny.
Like the really riptides, yeah, like the little.
Maybe we should go back now. No, not yet.
Like,
I feel like this. Oh, it's not alive.
it's like
Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty, huh?
that is really pretty. Let's go back. That is.
Oh no, my pants are getting wet.
I think mine are too a little bit.
We're gonna get in trouble. No, we're
No,
not.
we're not. It's the.
Guys, look at this. What?
Oh my gosh.
You
you're snapping.
no, watch. Watch.
Josie,
Okay, just watch.
let's see, there's the one.
Let's go back now. No! I'm keeping this in my pocket. I don't care if it
Here,
breaks.
could you do me a favor, girl? Like, can you roll my pants up? Thank you, sweetie. You're so amazing.
Another one? Like,
Yeah.
roll it up. Okay.
A little bit, yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. You're an angel. And then this one too. Oh my gosh. We're supposed to be over there, but like we're way over here.
I thought this was long before it
We're gonna take selfies now.